Hey, what's going on, folks? My name is Gerard. This is Gerard's Horticulture. I want to tell you about a grow light that I got in the mail. Grow light because I have a channel that I talk about plant care and plant tips to maybe help you out with your plant journey, and kind of to brag, not to brag, I guess, but to be proud of the way I take care of my plants. I just use YouTube to document the journey so I can look back and see how far I gone. It's just like a diary or whatever you want to say, a family photo album, but I got like YouTube where it holds all the memories, and I could just look back at all the videos. So I use that. It's like a win-win. So I use it for my plants, and I love plants. And specifically, what kind of plants do I have? I have tropical plants. Plants that mostly philodendrons, because I love philodendrons. Philodendrons is a plant that grows on trees, if you didn't know. It's a plant of love. It's a tough plant, but it's one of the many plants that I have in my house right now. So special occasion that this also plant documentary thing, YouTube thing, Instagram thing, because I'm also on Instagram at Gerard's Horticulture Gerard's Horticulture culture. I'm on there also. I want to tell you about a grow light that I got gifted or sponsored. They sent it to me in the mail. They wanted to know if I just would make a video about it. So I've had it for about 2 weeks now. I was trying to put out the video, but I just wanted to use the light so I can actually give you real in-depth thoughts on the operation of it, even though I've had it for about 2 weeks now. But I did an unboxing when I first got the light, but I didn't like the video. I've been really hard on myself where if I don't like one thing, I just won't post the video. I have like thousands. I would say I have at least 300 videos, not saying 300, but I probably have like at least 25 videos where I saw something I didn't like. Maybe the lighting was off, the audio. I just been critiquing myself, and then I just been like not posting videos, even though now I am monetized, and I just got monetized, and ever since I got monetized, I kind of stopped making videos. So I am back at it. Hopefully this video flies. If you're watching it, it's flying and you're actually seeing what's going on. But yeah, back to the people that sent me the grow light, which was awesome, and I was blown out the water. They had some criteria. They was like, make a good quality video. I was like, cool, I can do that. I just got some new gear because I'm a budding photographer now, thanks to plants, because plants do a lot for you. So yeah, I consider myself a plant collector, an investor, and a photographer. I got a couple hats. But those are hats that I actually like. I'm kind of reinventing myself, so I'm at a great time in my life, I have to say. Back to Vivosun, because they are the people that gave me the light, and that's why I wanted to hurry up and pump this video out. But hopefully everything is good for my standards, so I can put out this video so you can know about the VS1000. Now, I seen it on Instagram. Not Instagram, but I seen it on Amazon for $129. So it's a light that is not cheap, let's say. But what is the value behind the VS1000 that I have noticed? Well, I'll talk about it at the end. But I want to tell you what I don't like. I don't like about the light. I really don't like. I mean, there's nothing about the light that I don't like right now. If I had a problem with the light, I would tell you. But I don't like the light. I mean, I do like the light. It covers a 3x3 area, and I fit it nicely next to my plant rack, so it's hanging down in a crazy spot, like nice spot where I can maximize more. I'm growing on the floor, which I don't really recommend growing on the floor, but the light is shining down, and I'm getting like 250 foot candles of light, which is great. It's just like right on for my plants. And the best thing about the VS1000 that I'm glad that they did, you can grow crazy amount of plants. This can rival daylight. So when you want to grow some crazy, like if you want to grow anything, you can grow tomatoes, you can grow bamboo, you can grow. I was thinking I could probably try to grow like a mango tree in my house with it, because my fiance, she loves mangoes, so I could probably get a mango tree off of the VS1000. But right now, if you use it on its highest power, because it dims. And that's a great point that I like about the VS1000. It dims. So I'm using it on its lowest power. And when you do use it on its highest power, they give you these glasses, which is something that you should be, aware of. They give you glasses because they don't want you looking at the light. It can hurt your eyes. So if they're giving you glasses with a light, you know that they're trying to protect. They're giving you safety glasses. I've never gotten safety glasses. I'm kind of new to the game. I'm using this window. I used to grow in this window, but I got kicked out. So now I'm in a grow room upstairs, and I'm using artificial light. So I'm growing with artificial light. So I'm just budding. I'm getting in there. But I'm glad Vivosun sent me this light, because I see where they've just opened up so many ideas for me. And I checked out their site on Instagram, and they just got all types of indoor growing products that will definitely be as a value to you. So this is, I'm putting the unboxing part in there so you can see that I unboxed it. So I just got it. But like I said, I just hung it next to my plant shelf. I'm getting like 250 foot candles. It's about 3 or 4 foot away from my plants. And you have this slider where you can adjust it up and down, which is cool. I'm not used to having that. I got these other grow lights that are just kind of stationary, but the other ones you can swivel around and grow. But this is a $130 light, so you're getting quality. You're getting I think it's a 3-year warranty on the light, which is also great. Maintenancing it, I was just a little worried about like the heat power module up top. They have a power module where it may collect dust, and then the module might get overheated. So I gotta find out how to carefully dust that. But the light looks well built, came well packaged, came with safety glasses. The cord had to be about 5 foot long, so it fit perfectly without me having to use an extension cord. And like I said, I have it on the lowest power. I think when I put my light meter next to it, I was getting almost 2,000 watts. I mean, not 2,000 watts, but almost 2,000 foot candles of light when I was like close to it, that close to it. So make sure you space your plants accordingly for what they're required. If you need help with that, get a light meter. Light meters, or I'll put one in the description below. They're key to knowing that you have, if you want to put your plant in a certain area that it's getting enough light. It's a great tool to have. It's a great investment. You can see if you could put your plant anywhere, and you can see how many foot candles it's going to get and for how long. So just get that. And if you got enough dough to invest in a great grow light, pick up the VS1000. I'm like falling off my couch talking to you like I'm at home, because I am at home. I'm chilling at home while my plants are growing, and it's a beautiful October day. That's about it, guys. Like I said, if you want to support my channel and you want to support Vivosun, check them out. They got other products. I will put the link to the Vivosun VS1000 in the comment section below. And like I said, they sent me a light. This is the first ever light that I got. I'm happy to talk about them. It's also, for power factors and things like that. I just got solar too, which is, a plus, but it's true to wattage, and it's 120 volts. Comes with a ground cord. It comes with like an L ground cord, so you can like it or a 90-degree plug. So they know what they're doing. They're using Samsung LEDs, which is also cool. I guess Samsung's a good brand. I went through the reviews on Amazon. I saw like things that may happen in shipping, but that's, most of the reviews were good. So I was happy before I got the light, and then I'm even happier after I got the light. So that should tell you something. And thank you, Vivosun, for sending me that light. It's first ever light ever, so I appreciate you guys. And everybody else, and including you, Vivosun, everybody have a good day. You know what I'm saying? Have a good day and enjoy your plants. Tell your plants I said what's up. Tell them Gerard Horticulture. Gerard said what's up. Tell all your plants I said what's up. And keep growing.